So you may have heard of many DTH brands in India, but in my opinion, Airtel HD gives the best value for money. The Airtel set-top box comes in a dull recycled paper box which is ready to be opened. There are some features printed on the box such as universal remote control, apps and games, etc. But no one is buying a DTH set-top box for playing their favorite games. The first thing you will see inside the box is the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable is of high quality and is of version 1.4, which is more than enough to handle Full HD content and surround audio. The next thing you will see inside the box is the power adapter. This adapter is rated at 24 watts. Let's place it to the side. Let's take the remote out. The included remote is a large remote with lot of buttons. The remote also has a static LED indicator on the top. The LED indicator just flashes red color. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It will greatly encourage me to make more videos like this. The last item remains from the box is the Airtel HD set-top box itself. Let's take it out. There's just a simple clicky power button on the top, nothing else. While coming to the set-top box itself, the Airtel HD set-top box is capable of Full HD content and surround audio via the HDMI port. Coming to the back, there's the standard antenna input, the USB interface, the HDMI 1.4 digital audio and video, the AV output for all CRT TVs and the 24-watt DC input. And here's the remote. The remote is a black colored matte finished one with a lot of buttons. There's also the pause, playback and the record buttons, so you can easily control the media files with the remote. The two included batteries are AAA batteries. Check the resolutions available in this set-top box. As you can see, it can go all the way up to 1080p Full HD and all the way down up to standard definition. You certainly need a Full HD television to view the Full HD content. Well, that is all about our unboxing and the review of the Airtel HD set-top box. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more awesome videos. By then, I am signing off. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.